Hello, hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking on this video, and please subscribe and click on that bell button and give that thumbs up at the end of this video if you like my video. Okay, so today I'm gonna tell you how I do my homemade hair treatment. And in this treatment I use rice water, I use onion juice, and I use egg yolk. So for the egg yolk I use it once in a while, but usually I do the rice water and the onion juice. So this is how I make it. Let's get started. So I soak my rice. I'll soak rice. So if you soak this rice, it any amount that you soak, but you can just get a little in your palm and put it in a bowl. So you put in water, but make sure the water is not below the rice and it's not too much above the rice. So put it in, just make sure it's like trying to level up with the rice. So soak it for 24 hours, and on the next day I'll get my onion, cut it in pieces, blend it, and squeeze the juice out. So after getting the juice out, I'll mix the juice with my rice water. Then I'll get my egg yolk. Please don't use the white water, just use the yolk. So I'll get my egg yolk and mix it in my rice water mixture with the onion juice. Then I'm gonna mix it together. Then my mixture is ready, my hair treatment is ready. So I'll go to the bathroom, wash my hair. So wash my hair and make sure it's really clean. Then I'm going to get my homemade treatment. I'm gonna apply it to my hair, and I'll make sure my scalp gets, the whole of my scalp gets, and the whole of my hair gets, like from down from the scalp to the tip of the hair. I'll make sure every bit of it gets this treatment. Then I'm gonna wrap it with a hair cup. So you can use a shower cup. I'm gonna put my shower cup on top. Then I'm gonna wrap a towel on top of the shower cup. So you can do this at home. I usually do this when I am gonna be at home. I'm not going to go anywhere or anything. So I'm gonna wrap my hair. Then I'm gonna do my house chores. I'm gonna do my laundry, I'm gonna do my cooking, I'm gonna do some cleaning, or I'll watch a movie. Anything depends on how your schedule of the day is. So you can just do your hair treatment and put in your hair treatment and do the rest of the duties you need to do at home. So I always do this for the whole of the day. So I'll just wake up in the morning, anytime that I wake up, then I'll wash my hair, put the treatment, cover it and wrap it, then I'll do my chores. So later in the evening, when I'm ready to shower, I'll go shower and wash my hair and rinse it out. So this treatment, you can use it for, you can apply it for 2 hours. Okay, it depends. If you were in a rush and you have another program, you can put it and you put it for 2 hours, but me, I usually do it for the whole day, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how long you apply, but if you can make it at least 1 hour and above, that is okay. Or maybe if you have a steamer, you can put it inside and you steam it. So if you have a steamer, and you can steam it for like maybe 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, or even 15 minutes. It like, it's up to you. So me, because I don't have a steamer, I put it and cover it for the whole day. So after that, I'm gonna wash out, I'm gonna rinse my hair. Then rinsing it out, I'm gonna dry it. So you can dry it and style it normally. So for the drying, you can either apply, you can put rollers, or you can just blow dry it. It doesn't matter. But if you have rollers, it would be very good. It will be very good if you put rollers, but me, I only do the blow dry. So it is okay, you can do a blow dry, it doesn't matter. So that is how I do my homemade hair treatment, and that is how I treat my hair. I've been using this for the last 6 months, and it has really helped me. It has really helped my hair. Have you ever had hair that will be stuck in one place? It doesn't move, it doesn't grow, it's just in one place. You feel like it's not moving. It's not moving even an inch. That is how my hair was before I started using this treatment. But from the time I started using this rice water and onion treatment, my hair has really improved. My hair has grown. When I say grown, I mean in length. Like, it has grown longer. It has grown longer according to depending on how it was before. It has really grown longer, so this treatment is really going to help you. Please comment in the comment section below if you have your own hair treatments. Comment, let's know how you do your homemade treatment. If you have any questions about this video, I'll be glad to answer you, and I am here to answer your questions. Please subscribe. Call your friends, share it with your friends, let them subscribe, and click on the bell button below, and give a thumbs up if you like the video. Give a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.